You've been learning the basics about the reconciliation process in general, but you'll be happy to know that QuickBooks Online can do that too. You'll be learning more about how to perform a bank reconciliation later on. But before we get there, we'll need to do a little preparation first. There are two ways to feed the bank transactions into the system. The first is to manually upload all of the transactions yourself. The other way is to connect your business bank account directly to the system. This is faster and more efficient. Take a look at the system demo video to learn more.
This is Karen from the QuickBooks team. Connecting your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks is the fastest way to accurately record your company's financial transactions. Let's go over how to connect a bank or credit card account to QuickBooks and choose how far back you want QuickBooks to pull your transaction history. To get started, select the Banking or Transactions menu. There are two ways to bring in transactions from your bank and credit card accounts. The first option is to download your company's historical transactions from your bank and credit card in a file. Then you can upload that file so QuickBooks adds those transactions to your accounts. If your bank doesn't have the option to connect your accounts, you can usually still get a file and upload transactions manually. However, keep in mind, you need to upload a new file every time you want to bring in more transactions. The second option is to connect your bank or credit card so QuickBooks downloads your transactions automatically. Let's connect an account. Select your bank or credit card from the list of popular financial institutions, or enter the name of your bank or credit card company and select it from the list. You'll need to enter the username and password you use to log into your bank or credit card's online banking. Each bank and credit card has its own security features and may require a few more steps. Once you've finished with your bank or credit card sign-in steps, QuickBooks looks for all the accounts you have with your financial institution. Select each account you want to connect. Note that you don't have to select everything you see. You should only select the accounts that are relevant to your business. If you see a personal account that isn't business-related, you can leave it unselected. At this point, QuickBooks will connect your online account with one from your chart of accounts. If you've already set up the account on your chart of accounts, you can choose the relevant account from the drop-down menu, or choose the kind of account you want QuickBooks to create for you. Once you've selected the accounts you want to connect, you need to choose how far back you want QuickBooks to go when it downloads transactions from your bank or credit card account. The default choice is the beginning of last year. Many businesses want to bring in transactions from just the beginning of the current year. If you don't see the option you want, select Custom and enter the date. When you're ready, select Connect. Once the connection is complete, you'll see all your business transactions that cleared your bank or credit card from the date you entered to today. When more transactions clear your bank, they'll appear on this list for you to review. The next step is to categorize them so QuickBooks adds them to the correct accounts. Follow the link at the end of this video to learn how to do that. Now you're ready to connect your bank and credit cards to QuickBooks Online.